Hi friends, my name is Ritesh and today I'm going to show you that how you can put condition on multiple columns when you do not know the exact values of that particular column in SQL and Power BI. So I have these two columns where I have manufacturer and their region. Okay, so let's say I do not remember the exact values of manufacturer column. Okay, let's say for Northwind traders, I remember only Northwind. Okay, from let's say Datum Corporation, I remember only Datum. Okay, so now like without knowing the exact like values of that particular column, I need to put some conditions. Okay, so here is the scenario. If the manufacturer is like Datum, okay, and region is Asia, then it should be a top level region. Okay, and if the manufacturer is like Litware and the region is Asia, then it should be a second level. And if the manufacturer is like Crossware and the region is Asia, then it should be a third level. Okay, so how to put this in SQL? Let me show you. Okay, I will write case when region, okay, equal to Asia, okay, Asia and manufacturer, okay, manufacturer. I will put like, keep like function here, okay, like, and then I will put percentile here, percentile. Okay, now I will copy this one, datum. Okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, and let me close this by percentile. Okay, so then it would be a top level region. Okay, now I will copy this for my next condition and I will paste it here. Okay, and now I need to paste Litware. Okay, so let me paste it. Okay, now last condition is I will again copy this and paste it here. Okay, crossware I will copy this and I will paste it here. Okay, and I will provide else condition, else it could be a, let's say I have to change it here also, so it will be second level. Okay, and it would be a third level. Okay, third level, else it could be a fourth level. Okay, fourth level region. Okay, I have to end this as, let's say I have to provide the column name which is category. Okay, now let me run this query now, and I will provide one more condition. Let's say it will be order by region. Okay, so that I can search easily. Okay, let me make it up so that it will be visible to you properly, the whole query. Okay, now as you can see that Datum Corporation is showing top level region. Okay, Datum Corporation region is Asia. Okay, now let next is Litware. Okay, so I will search Litware here, Litware Asia, and this is the second level region. Okay, and Prosphere is the third level. Okay, and else these are the fourth level region. Okay, now how to do this condition in Power BI, because like we are using like function here. Okay, and like function and case function. Now how to do this in Power BI? Let me go to Power BI window. I have the same data. Okay, so here I will expand this and I will take a table here. Okay, and I will drag those two columns, manufacturer and region. Okay, manufacturer and region. Okay, so I have dragged this. Let me make it to focus mode so that it will be visible to you properly. Okay, it will take some while to reflect the data. Okay, now let me create that measure which will which will show these values. New measure. Okay, and let me name this measure as, let's say, category. Okay, category. Okay, equal to, I will declare some variable for manufacturer. So I will give the short name, let's say manufacturer, equal to selected value, and then the column name, which is manufacturer. Okay, next variable would be for region, equal to selected value region. Okay, now I will type my return condition, return. Okay, I will use if and, because I have to provide two columns here. Okay, two columns in the condition. I will use if and. Now logical one will be region, equal to Asia. Okay, and second condition is I'm searching another column which is manufacturer. So I have to search this text. I will copy this datum and I will paste it here. Okay, datum, within text is manufacturer. Okay, start position is 1, not found is 0. Okay, and I have to give the greater than 0 also, because I have to apply multiple conditions. Okay, now let me close this. Result if true, so it would be a top level region. Okay, now next condition would be, I will copy this. Okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, and all I have to do is I have to put this keyword leadware here. Leadware. Okay, leadware, and it will be second level. Okay, now I will again copy this and I will paste it here. Okay, and it will be crossware. Okay, crossware, and it will be a third level region. Okay, third level region. Okay, now I have to provide the else condition also. So let me type that else condition. Else it could be a fourth level. Okay, okay, result if false, it will be fourth level region. Okay, now let me close this now. And now my DAX has been created. So let me drag this DAX in this table. Okay, Okay, so I have dragged this tags in the in this table. I will, yes, and let me close this and let me make it to focus mode so that it will be visible to you properly. Okay, so as you can see, let me sort it by region. Okay, as you can see that datum Asia top level. Okay, Litware Asia second level and Prosware Asia third level. Okay, so this is how you can do a categorization when you do not know the exact value of that particular column. Okay, so you can apply these conditions on multiple columns. Okay, so hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.